Have you ever walked into a living room and immediately thought, wow, this looks expensive? And then you look at your own living room and wonder why it doesn't have the same feeling, even though you've spent a lot of money on furniture? The truth is, a living room doesn't look luxurious because of how much money you spend. It looks luxurious because of the choices you make. In fact, some of the most common furniture mistakes can make even an expensive living room look cheap and uninviting. Today, I'm going to show you 5 furniture mistakes that could be ruining your living room and, more importantly, how to fix them. Welcome to Blueprint Vision, where we explore architecture, interior design, and beautiful spaces that inspire better living. If you're passionate about creating a home that looks stylish, timeless, and well-designed, you're in the right place. You can also visit our website for more design inspiration and resources. And don't forget, we upload new videos every week to help you design smarter and live better. Now let's get started. Mistake number 1. Buying furniture that is too small. This is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners make. Many people think that buying smaller furniture will make their room feel larger. But in reality, furniture that is too small often makes a room feel unfinished and awkward. For example, a tiny sofa floating in the middle of a large living room can make the entire space feel empty. The same thing happens with coffee tables. A coffee table that's too small compared to the sofa looks disconnected and out of place. Professional designers always pay attention to scale and proportion. Furniture should relate to the size of the room and to the pieces around it. How to fix it? Choose a sofa that fits the room properly. Make sure your coffee table is roughly 2/3 the length of your sofa. If your room is large, don't be afraid to use larger furniture pieces that can visually fill the space. Remember, properly scaled furniture instantly makes a room look more intentional and more expensive. Mistake number 2. Pushing all furniture against the wall. Many people automatically place every piece of furniture directly against the walls. They think this creates more space. But surprisingly, it often creates the opposite effect. When furniture is pushed to the edges of the room, the center becomes an empty void. The room feels disconnected rather than comfortable. Luxury living rooms are designed around conversation and human interaction. The furniture works together to create a cozy seating area. How to fix it? If possible, pull your sofa a few inches away from the wall. Bring chairs closer to the seating arrangement. Use a rug to visually connect all the furniture pieces. Even in smaller rooms, creating a defined conversation area can dramatically improve the overall look. This simple change can make your living room feel professionally designed. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong rug size. Let's talk about one of the most common design mistakes, the tiny rug. A rug that's too small can instantly make your living room look cheap. Many homeowners choose a rug based on price rather than size. As a result, the rug ends up floating in the center of the room without connecting any furniture. This creates a disconnected and unbalanced appearance. How to fix it? A larger rug is almost always the better choice. Ideally, the front legs of your sofa and chairs should sit on the rug. In larger spaces, all furniture legs can sit on the rug. The rug should help define the seating area and bring all the furniture together. Think of the rug as the foundation of your living room. Without a strong foundation, the room can never feel complete. Mistake number 4. Buying matching furniture sets. Many people buy an entire furniture set because it's easy. The sofa matches the loveseat. The loveseat matches the chairs. The coffee table matches the side tables. Everything matches, and that's exactly the problem. Perfectly matching furniture often makes a room look like a furniture showroom instead of a thoughtfully designed home. Luxury interiors have personality, contrast, and layers. They mix materials, textures, and styles. How to fix it? Instead of buying everything from one collection, mix different pieces together. Pair a modern sofa with a wooden coffee table. Add a unique accent chair. Combine metal, wood, fabric, and stone finishes. The goal isn't perfect matching. The goal is creating visual interest. When different elements work together harmoniously, the room feels richer and more sophisticated. Mistake number 5. Ignoring lighting and accessories. Even beautiful furniture can look cheap if the room lacks proper lighting and styling. Many living rooms rely on a single ceiling light. This creates harsh shadows and makes the space feel flat. At the same time, empty walls and bare surfaces can make a room feel unfinished. Furniture alone doesn't create atmosphere, details do. How to fix it? Use multiple layers of lighting. Add floor lamps, table lamps, and accent lighting. Create a warm and welcoming glow instead of relying on one bright overhead light. There's another video where I explain the different layers of lighting in detail. You'll find the link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Then add carefully selected accessories. Books, plants, artwork, decorative objects, and throw pillows. These finishing touches add character and make the room feel lived in and inviting. Just remember, less is often more. Choose meaningful pieces rather than filling every surface with decorations. Here's a bonus tip that many people overlook. Clutter can make even the most expensive furniture look cheap. You could have a beautiful sofa, designer lighting, and stunning artwork. But if the room is filled with random items and unnecessary decorations, the overall effect disappears. Luxury spaces feel calm because they are organized. Take time to edit your space. Remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring beauty to the room. Sometimes what you remove is more important than what you add. A beautiful living room is all about balance, proportion, comfort, and attention to detail. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Blueprint Vision and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly design and architecture videos. And don't forget to visit our website for more inspiration, ideas, and resources to help you create beautiful spaces. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep designing.